Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have probably the last, well, maybe, I don't know, maybe the last 3D printed, actually that's wrong, 3D printed Beyblade battle against Ultimate Valkyrie, and then we might move on to Dynamite Belly. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, we got stock Ultimate Valkyrie. We all know him, we all love him. He's on the second peg stage for the driver, so he's not fully awakened yet. And he's going up against Onslaught. Vanguard Atomic. Focus, for the goodness sake, camera. Thank you. Now, Onslaught is worn, but I do have spare teeth just in case his teeth break. Because we all know that freaking Ultimate likes to break my Beyblade's teeth. So, yeah. Let's get this started. Wow. Come here. By the way, it's first to 7. Yeah, okay. So that's 1-0. Let's keep this going, shall we? Yes, yes, we shall. I tried. Stop it. Chill. 2-0. It always starts like this, but then the 3D printed Beyblade always takes the lead. Onslaught is the weakest 3D printed Bey opponent that Ultimate is facing so far. Him being the, what is it? 1, 2, 3. I think he's the 4th. Wait, yeah, 1, 2. No, he's the 5th spot holder of the Superior 7. So he's definitely strong, but he's not as strong as Smite or Arachne. Since Smite is the 3rd holder and Arachne is the 1st. But, you know, Onslaught does have some pretty strong defense. Still really difficult to break through. See? 2-1. The comeback. Excuse me. Ultimate Valkyrie needs really good teeth because the Ultimate Ring is just so aggressive that it just needs really good teeth. Oh my god, that was a heavy hit. So, quite an interesting battle. Ultimate's really trying to get those knockouts, but he just can't do it. Onslaught's tapered circle is too strong for him. 2-2. And mind you, Ultimate is a lot heavier than Onslaught is, and Onslaught's holding out. Matter of fact, Onslaught's always been that Bey that does not give a crap how heavy you are. He can probably take most TT Beys down. Probably. I'm not That was fast. I'm not saying 100% though, I'm just saying probably. Because, you know, you never know. Some Beys win, some Beys lose. That's it. Onslaught just has a good track record. Wow. Yerk for that freaking cord. Heavy hits being landed by Ultimate. Onslaught kind of doing his own side of the impact. My commentary today sucks. It'll come down to stamina again, which Onslaught has the advantage. Yes, sir. 3-2. If I get another 4-2 thing, I swear it's like these Beys just. Valkyrie gets that 2 points, and then they just stop it. Whoa. Jesus. Onslaught has a habit of only bursting whenever his teeth break. Which kind of is insane to think about. 4-2. Dude! Like, with all the Beys, Ultimate Valkyrie gets 2 points, and then the 3D printed Bey that he's going up against just goes into freaking... No! calm down. Anyways, Ultimate Valkyrie always gets to 2 points, but as soon as they... Words. No. You see, this launcher has struggles because, see, it gets locked up in there. And I really, really don't like that. It irritates me a lot. So, that's kind of an inconvenience to the strongest launcher, but when it doesn't lock up, it's pretty efficient. God dang it, this camera is not straight today. What did I tell you? Only when his teeth break. Actually, that was an old set of teeth, so that is actually shocking. Oh, Ultimate nearly bursted too. Okay, so that was a tooth break. We're going to count it as a burst. Although most times I wouldn't count it as a burst. This time I will because, yeah, it's about to get a whole lot harder for Ultimate. Refreshed teeth. The score is now 4-4. It would change if Onslaught didn't have an addiction to pockets. Jesus Christ! Not another pair! That one we won't count because it was way too fast and it was stupid. Another. Onslaught, real lucky I got some spare teeth. Okay, Ultimate is going crazy on him. Jesus! Come on, Onslaught, hold out. 5-4. God! Ultimate is not having it anymore. He finally kicked it in. Turn on the turbo. And Onslaught is scared now. Interesting. Onslaught, hide! Oh God, he's in the... Oh. Jesus! God, Ultimate is just done with him. Score is now what? 6-4? Freaking... Onslaught tried it and Ultimate said no. Ultimate just said no. I don't think I can... I won't do a battle between Ultimate and Jogger because Jogger has War Smite style of contact points. And well, if we all remember War Smite, he breaks Beyblades. So, yeah. Wow! Ugh! Jesus! Ow! Ah, my toes and my bicep. Where did the driver go? There it is. Ow! Score is 6-6. This is the closest one we've had so far. Jesus Christ. Freaking Ultimate slapped the freak out of my arm. The blades did. Jesus Christ. Beyblade ain't a game anymore, boys. It ain't a game. Freaking Ultimate tried it and he just got denied. Last battle. Oh my God. Holy crap. Well, that decides it. Score is 7-6. Wow, that felt like a lot shorter time. Anyways, the score is 7-6. Really, really close, but unfortunately, Onslaught's not strong enough to take on Ultimate. Well, actually he is. He's more equal to Ultimate, if not... Focus camera, please. Thank you. Onslaught's more equal to Ultimate than Valkyrie, and I'm done. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.